Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shikha Garg. So I'll share a latest study on vitamin D today. So there's a new study which says a patient who are in pre-diabetes, which means HbA1c ranging from 5.7 to 6.4. That's a pre-diabetes. India has loads and loads of patients, millions of patients within the range of pre-diabetes. The studies quotes adequate levels of vitamin D supplementation can prevent a patient from developing into from pre-diabetes to diabetes. So almost 15% of risk factor can be cut down. So basically 15% people can be prevented if you take proper vitamin D supplementation. That means always go and get tested for your vitamin D levels, and it should be adequate. When you are deficient in vitamin D, so there is a risk factor for also developing diabetes, specifically if you are in a pre-diabetic situation, which of course India is a capital of diabetes. So of course lot of people, young people, are in that range of pre-diabetes. So do check your HbA1c so that you know you fall in what category. If you are in a pre-diabetic situation, do check your vitamin D also. Otherwise also vitamin D gives overall lot of health benefits, but the latest studies are actually telling a very good things. Apart from that, vitamin D supplementation also prevents suicide. The risk factor for suicide has been reduced with patients who are not deficient in vitamin D, who are taking proper supplementation. So this study has latestly thrown a lot of important points into this consideration, that vitamin D also helps in keeping your mental and mood in a proper way. It keeps your mental health also in check. So vitamin D is very crucial. Do get tested for your vitamin D, take supplementation. Always take it with a prescribed from a prescription with a proper doctor. Please do not self supplement yourself, because there could be a chances. I have seen the patients with hypervitaminosis also, and hypervitaminosis means levels which are more than required. That can also cause lot of problems, lot of tachycardias, lot of other problems related to your heart, your anxiety, everything. So you have to be very careful when you are getting supplements. You have to properly check what supplements and what ratio range you fall in, how much it is needed. But there are latest studies which says it prevents from diabetes, it prevents suicide risk, mental disorders, it helps you keeping your mood happy. Also, in certain populations having skin cancers, vitamin D supplementation also has prevented from melanoma or skin cancers, although it's less common in India. But of course, in certain studies quote that. I'll put up the study also in the comment section. Thank you.